Who needs manuals when you can just figure it out? Yes! Never mind. Hey guys, it's Wengie and Rainbow Hugs! So it's almost the end of the year already. Like, where did this year go? It literally just flew past. Why are we already at the end of the year? I haven't done anything. Well, I've done a few things. We've released a few songs. We hit a few goals. But there's a ton of things I didn't get to do for fun. And I was like, you know what would be such a great idea for a video? Doing all the things I didn't get to do as a kid. It was such a perfect idea because this video was sponsored by Rainbow Surprise. They have the cutest and most adorable fashionable dolls that have a ton of surprises inside, including slime. And guys, all these dolls come with their own fashion and accessories, and they are so stylish, guys. They're really cute. They're really inspiring me to like actually wear the same things myself. Playing with dolls is actually something I didn't do as a kid, so this was actually perfect. And I'm gonna show you more of these later. All right, guys, let's go relive our childhood again. Let's go. So baking was not a thing. My mom never baked. In fact, our oven was more used as a storage cupboard. So I never got to bake cookies, and I feel like baking cookies is something like every kid gets to do. Like, I imagine those movies where you bake with your mom and then you eat the cookie dough and it's like a great thing. Never got to do that, so let's do it today. I've got some chocolate chip cookie mix. I'm lazy, guys, like what can I say? I wasn't gonna make it from scratch, it's gonna take too long. I'm gonna add some eggs to this. This is so simple, it's got 2 other ingredients. That's how I roll. So, all right, we're gonna add 2 eggs to this. Bam. I don't know about you, but it's really satisfying watching the egg go in the bowl. I don't know, I'm simple. We have some softened butter, and now we mix. Is this actually gonna become dough? It's got 3 ingredients, and I'm not even sure I'm doing this right. You can tell I didn't bake as a kid. Oh, you know what? It looks right. It's becoming dough. This is good dough.
I also wasn't a comedian when I was a kid.
Time to line the cookie tray with some non-stick paper. It's rounded teaspoonfuls, 2.5 inches apart. So we're gonna go with this. There we go. The chocolate chips look so good, guys. You know what? The funnest part? Licking the spoon. Okay. It was weird until the hit at the end. My little childhood self is probably jumping up and down right now. So I've preheated the oven. Let's throw it in. It's hot! Guys, it's supposed to be almost ready. They got really round. I'm so glad those blobs turned out like decent looking. These are like much bigger than I expected. This is my hand. This is the size of the cookie. I shipped these to Bob and Mary. You go, Bob and Mary. But the best part of making cookies is eating them. Okay, guys. They're so soft. I didn't let them settle. That's why they're still soft. Oh. My parents never really celebrated Christmas growing up because in a Chinese culture, Christmas is not really a thing. So I actually never got a Christmas tree as a kid. I didn't have one until maybe like 3 years ago, and it was for a Christmas hats video. But I didn't get the chance to put it together, so I didn't have the full experience. Alright guys, we have the Christmas tree. This is the top part of the Christmas tree. Oh, we got all the parts. I think this is the stand. You can tell I've never done this before. Oh, got it. They slot into this. Who needs manuals when you can just figure it out? Yes! Never mind. Ooh, that's cool. So in true Wengie style, guys, being super lazy, I got a tree with built-in lights, so I don't even... Oh, why is only the bottom lit up? This is harder than I thought. Oh wait, there's a plug here. Oh my gosh, guys, we did it. We put together our first Christmas tree. And guys, I feel like it's a bit anticlimactic. It's just a lot of work, and it's not even Christmas. But you know what would make it Christmas? Now it's Christmas. Oh, wait. We forgot one thing. Hold on. We got presents and decorations. Okay, so my Christmas tree is now complete with my presents that I bought myself and wrapped myself. Alright, let's just play the song. So, I know this is hard to believe, and I am not lying, but I never actually got to play with dolls growing up. And you may be sitting there like, why, Wengie? You have had a very deprived childhood. I was kind of a tomboy. So instead of dolls, I had a ton of other like guyish toys. And secondly, by the time I wanted a doll, they were really expensive and my mom like refused to buy one for me. And today is such a great day because I got the cutest dolls sent to me by Rainbow Surprise, and they're even more fashionable and cuter than the dolls I would have had as a child. So I feel like this is gonna make up for it. So I am excited. This is the Rainbow Surprise package. Oh, it's so cute. And the thing is, it's a surprise. So you don't know what doll you're gonna get, but guys, they're all cute. So I'm excited to open my Rainbow Surprise doll. 3, 2, 1. She's so cute! So I took the liberty of opening a whole bunch of her accessories. A sparkle-free fart drink. This is so cute. It's a fada drink kind of handbag. She has her cute little clear jacket. Roller skates. I was obsessed with roller skates when I was a kid. Super cute comb to comb her hair. And these super cute high socks, and also there's rainbow sparkle packs and this rainbow DIY slime maker. There's like all these shades of pink and blonde, totally inspired. And her hair is super brushable as well. It's really smooth. Guys, we're gonna go put all her fashion accessories on. She's super stylish. So we're gonna pop her little roller skates on. I'm living for these. Let's give her her little fada bag. There we go. And your little drink. So there are 4 Rainbow Surprise dolls to collect. Rainbow Dream, who has rainbow hair with a rainbow purse. Pixie Rose, the one I got with pink hair and roller skates. Amethyst Ray with purple hair. She's so cute. And Blue Sky with blue hair. That hair is to die for. As a kid, I never got to learn an instrument, which is really sad because of how much I love music. I really wanted to take piano lessons, but they were kind of expensive and my parents couldn't afford it. If you didn't have a teacher, it was really hard to actually learn an instrument by yourself. So today I'm gonna be living my dream of learning an instrument I've always wanted to learn, which is the keyboard. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I bought a keyboard and it was a good one. But you know what? Kind of overwhelmed. There's a lot of buttons. Keyboards have come so far these days. I remember when I was a kid and I looked at keyboards, you just plugged it in and then you played. But now, apparently you gotta connect it to a computer. I have a cable that I just hit myself in the face with. HDMI? I don't know.
Trying to sound technical.
I am, but I just hit myself in the face with it. All right. 3 hours later. Oh, the buttons light up! Oh, wait, I pressed it, it turned blue. Wait, what happens when I press the orange? Oh, it turns green and flashes! What's happening? I'm a DJ! I don't know what I'm doing. Alright guys, so Max taught me, and because I don't want to get copyrighted, I'm gonna play one of my own songs. I learned how to play Ugly Christmas Sweater. Alright. That's the melody to Ugly Christmas Sweater, and I learned the other part too. Look. Oh, sorry. Yay! So guys, this is my Christmas song, Ugly Christmas Sweater. Don't forget to check it out for the holidays. Play it, add it to your playlist. That was literally a 10-minute lesson. I'm sure I can achieve more if I like put more time into it. But I'm excited. I really want to learn the piano. This is gonna be a thing for next year. Okay guys, so when I was a kid, I loved ice cream. I don't know why, because as I grew up, I liked ice cream less. But I actually never got to make ice cream from scratch. So today I bought an ice cream maker and we're gonna make some ice cream from scratch. So you need 3 cups of heavy cream. Oh, look at that, it looks so good. Next, add a cup of milk, 3/4 cups of sugar. I love the smell of vanilla. We need 1 tablespoon. We're gonna do more. One ingredient I didn't know went into ice cream was salt, so add a pinch of salt to taste. Then you mix it over a medium heat, just using a whisk. Then you need 4 egg yolks. Time to separate them. Oh, the big glob. You guys, separated? One broke, but it's okay. We're gonna beat the egg yolks. So just take 1 cup of this warm mixture before it boils. Add it into the egg yolk mixture that we just did. So we're just gonna mix this in, then pour it back into the mixture. I feel like this is so the egg doesn't cook in little globs. And so now you gotta pour this mixture into a bowl. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Now you just put it in the freezer. All right guys, we leave it in here for a while. So guys, this has been in the freezer for like a day and it looks frozen solid. Am I gonna be able to make ice cream out of this, or is it gonna be like an ice block? All right, I'm gonna trust in the process. I have a spoon. It's legit soft. You know what? This is legit ice cream already. Tastes like ice cream. Oh my God, guys, you don't even need an ice cream maker. I made ice cream. But you know what? I spent the money buying the ice cream maker. We're just gonna use it anyways. So this is the thing that we put in for 24 hours. It goes in the cup and then we're gonna put a cup of ice cream in it. All right, then we're gonna pop this thing in there and we're gonna turn it on. You know what? It's becoming less ice cream. Oh guys, look at that. That's ice cream. It's like I bought it from the store. So my adult self feels like it was not worth the effort, but my child self is very impressed right now. Oh my God. So guys, growing up, we did have slime, but we never had these cool recipes that you guys have, and we never got to make it from scratch. And although I do make slime often, I didn't do it as a child. So today, since we're reliving child fantasies, we're making some slime. And this one's gonna be super special because it's slime from Rainbow Surprise. This is unlike any other slime I've ever made before. And guys, what I love about Rainbow Surprise dolls is that it combines 2 of my favorite things, slime and fashion. Like, how does that work? Let's see. All you need to do is grab the sparkle-free fart bottle. You can actually open it right here, and it's actually a place for you to mix slime. So you need to add 30 mils of water. This is 15 mils. They have a little indicator on this cute little cup. So let's do 1. This is the second cup of water. So we now have 30 mils of water in here. And they give you this Rainbow Surprise magical slime maker, I guess. You just add 1 of these. And then you want to close it tightly, and then you want to shake it for 1 minute. All right guys, and then you just want to let it settle for 10 to 15 minutes. All right guys, the slime should have set. Ooh, that's so cute. I'm gonna try some of this rainbow magic. Ooh, now you fold it in. So keep pulling and folding to mix it in. Color is changing. You can actually use it to decorate the shoe as well. I didn't know, but this platform is literally for slime. And you can make different slimes to customize her clothing to make one-of-a-kind looks. So, I can't swim, guys. Maybe learning to swim is a good skill that will keep me alive. So today, I'm gonna get swim lessons. Max said he'd teach me. Alright guys, we're at the pool. Let's check it out, it's super pretty. Look at the view, guys. Alright guys, testing the water. Oh my God, it's so cold. Alright guys, so I remembered why I never took a swimming lesson when I was a kid. It's always too cold for me. I'm really sensitive to cold. And right now it's winter in LA. So you know what? I was planning to get a swimming lesson, but not really. I'm going home now.
Not if I have anything to do with it.
No! Should I admit this, guys? It's sad. I never got any money for my teeth. The tooth fairy never visited me. Was I a bad kid? What did I do wrong? I got decent grades. I would put my teeth under my pillow and then I wake up and it'd be teeth. Still, nada, no money. Today we're gonna reenact that moment even though I'm not losing teeth anymore. Let's do it. So since I'm an adult and it's been a long time since I lost a tooth, I've got some white icing that I'm gonna make into a tooth shape. I'm also not gonna go on the street and beg someone for their teeth. That weird. That really strange. Whoa, that's a soft tooth. Oh wait, I think it hardens when it dries. That looks like a tooth. So I transferred my tooth into baking paper. I'm just gonna shape it a little bit to make it more convincing. I mean, big tooth, but we good. So I ended up freezing the icing so it would harden quicker. We got our tooth. Okay guys, let's pop it under the pillow. Now it's time to wait for the tooth fairy, which is definitely not me. What? Wait, why are you still filming? Stop. Time to fake wake up. I hope the tooth fairy knew I was sleeping for real. What's under my pillow? $5 that I put there myself with my own money. Honestly guys, this is the closest I could get. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't even have done this. This is not even satisfying. This is the stupidest idea ever. Being an adult is fun. Okay guys, I know this list is kind of strange for some of you guys because I'm sure you've done a ton of things that I didn't get to do as a kid. Let me know what some of yours are right now down below, or is there something all your friends do that you didn't get to do? And make sure you check out all of the super cool rainbow surprise dolls in the link down below. I've included it. You can get them at Walmart, Target, and Amazon, and they're so cute guys. Let me know which one you collect. I'll be back next week with a new video, so I'll see you guys then. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.